So this is the cow milking. The Roshan Rajput is going. So we are going to shoot him. So how the cow milking is actually done. So here with me, Amar is with me, along with me, and we are going to see what is there, how the cow milking is done. And there is one person, that person names Maman Mama. Okay, Maman Mama is there, and we are going to the Roshans, and has come the Roshans. And I show you. Let's see it. Let's see it in the past. And the bucket is just going to pull. This is how the cow milking done. It requires some basic skill. That is how to hold the watering the milk organ of the cow. Your thumb should be a strong thumbs you have. You should have a thumb which is strong enough to withdraw the milk from the cow's organs. We don't have the word for that right now. So how is the bucket is going in the field, and this is Roshan. There is a dark shade and the lights are not on. YouTube